han cerrado.
They closed the school?
Yes.
Why?
Because
It's late?
but I don't wanna go to school
Why not?
because it's so one friend and two friends.
Only two friends?
Yes.
Leo?
No, Leo is Maya in this one, but it's to be small, okay? That you can go.
Yeah.
You're gonna go this school, okay? Bye.
I can go with the school.
But you can't go past this school, okay? This one is mine, okay? It's for kids, smalls. It's like no, it's like this.
Small?
This is a small. You see? Smalls. You see?
Very small. I like it.
It's not for jump.
It's not for grown-ups.
It's for jumping.
It's for jumping,
That one is for jumping too.
but not jumping on the bed.
You can jumping on the. Es una vez que tienen.
¿Tienen una bed?
Sí, tienen una vez que está vendida, pero pueden botar. You have to do.
Yeah.
And because it's the bottle, and there's no more bottles there.
There are more buttons in there?
No,
No?
it's from my school, that one.
Oh, okay.
You can go.
This one? Okay, cool. And are you going with me?
I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. My school is for little small. That is for big.
And who is your teacher? What's the name of your teacher?
I don't know. I'm gonna say what's your name, okay?
Okay.
The teacher.
Okay.
Bye. What's your
Bye-bye.
name? Hunter.
Hector?
Yes.
Like you?
Yes.
The teacher is called like you?
Yes.
Wow! That's very good, eh?
Yes.
Very nice.
And your teacher is too Esther.
Is Hector as well? Mine?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Maybe it's Mr. Abraham.
No.
No?
Can you say his name?
What's your name?
Hunter.
Hector. Very good.
¿Eso dicho Hunter? ¿Ves?
Hector es como te lo pronuncian, ¿eh?
Le lo pronuncian así. Ahora también hay que sí.
Yes.
Mira, la profesora, mira.
Oh. Oh. Bye bye.
Bye. To go like this, you see? Because you close, you do this, you see?
Okay.
You have to do this. Like this, okay?
Like this?
Yes.
Okay. Like this?
Yes, like that.
Okay. Cool. Where are you going?
I go to water.
To bring water?
For you and for me.
To bring water. For me?
For me and for me.
And for me?
For me and for you.
Thank you.
Okay?
I'm thirsty. Thank you. Very good. This water, eh? Can I have the lemonade?
It's not lemonade here.
You don't have lemonade here?
No.
What do you have?
I have hot dogs.
Hot dogs? I like hot dogs.
But with pan, no.
Not with bread?
No.
Okay, but you have ketchup?
Ketchup, yes.
Okay, I wanted with ketchup.
But you have to sit in the table because you're not in the table.
Okay, you want me to sit on the table?
Yes.
Okay, but you're gonna prepare it now?
Yes.
Okay, can I see how you prepare it?
But you have to go inside for see that.
Okay, let's go inside.
It's here.
Okay.
Okay? You can help me.
okay. Do you want me to help you?
Yes.
Okay.
Can you wash that?
Okay. Here you go.
You have to wash it. I put this, you do wash.
Okay. I wash it?
Yes. But I have to put it, okay?
Okay.
Oi.
Thank you. It's clean.
No, it's not clean.
Oh, no?
No. No, it's not clean. Oh, now it's clean, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
The first, can you clean that one?
This one?
Yes, but you have to put now this because you can put it there.
What's that, Hector?
It's mother
No. It's true?
strawberries.
Very good.
Hold up.
Oh, very good.
Found it. Wow, 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 wow.
You found it. Very good.
This
is for me? I'm very hungry.
But this porcelain, okay?
Plasticine. Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
But you don't like this. That's okay, it's a sticker.
A sticker. We put it there.
Can you put it here?
No, but it's there. It's okay. Don't take it off. It's okay.
But I don't like it.
You don't like it there?
No.
I don't know if we can take it off now, Hector.
Yes.
Very good. Okay, can you throw it away?
I don't control.
See you later.
See you later.
Bye bye.